Yes, a person really cured his tuberculosis using the power of his own mind. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a person called Phineas Quimby. That is where the new thought or the term law of attraction had started originating in that period, because Phineas Quimby did something really miraculous. So let's get into the story. This person called Phineas Quimby belongs to the early 19th century. Early in his life, he was diagnosed with this deadly disease, tuberculosis. And during that time, early 19th century, there was no cure for this particular disease. But Quimby was really passionate about horse riding and noted that this excitement temporarily relieved him of his pain and discomfort. So he thought there has to be a connection between the mind and the body, because his mind is doing something that is impacting his body in a positive way, that is making him forget his pain. So Phineas started pursuing the study of mind over body. Although he never used this term called law of attraction, but he explained this concept in a statement that was captured in the field of health. The trouble is in the mind, for the body is only the house for the mind to dwell in, and we put a value on it according to its worth. Therefore, if your mind has been deceived by some invisible enemy into a belief, you have put it into the form of a disease, with or without your knowledge. By my theory or truth, I come in contact with your enemy and restore you to your health and happiness. This I do partly mentally and partly by talking till I correct the wrong impressions and establish the truth, and the truth is the cure. So basically, he employed hypnosis as a method of curing an illness. He discovered that he could heal by using a suggestion. He also claimed to have cured some of his patients using the power of mind, whether it is a mental disability or a physical disability. So that was the history. That is how the concept of law of attraction started originating and getting popular. And if I talk about my own example, I too made a disease vanish using the law of attraction into practice. So I had been to Bhopal for a job interview. Way back, it was a government exam and I was preparing for it, although I did not know that it was the law of attraction that helped me cure it. But much later, I came to realize that this was it. After I came back from Bhopal, I was on a train. That is when I started getting ill. I was vomiting again and again. I had terrible loose motions, and it continued for about a month. I got myself tested, yet nothing at all. The doctor said everything was fine, but my loose motions would not go away. I was sick. I was tired of the sickness, and I just could not take it anymore. After 1 month, my aunt, my mom's sister, said, "You guys come over here, maybe a change of place would help you." I was skeptical in the beginning. I did not want to go there because I was not feeling that well. But my mom said maybe a change of air, change of environment would be better for you. So I agreed, I accepted, and I went with my mom to my aunt's place. My aunt said, "What is wrong with her? What is happening?" She said, "I take this medicine and this works every single time." the way she said it instilled some kind of faith in that medicine for me. I thought maybe something is there in this particular medicine. I must take this. I have a feeling that this is going to end all the troubles, all my sickness. And I took that medicine, and guess what happened? I was cured. My loose motions went away. I felt so much better after that. I could not thank my aunt enough for making my loose motions go away. I had lost almost 10 kgs of weight because of that. But after that, I felt so much better. I was absolutely cured as if nothing had happened. So, this is the power of a person's mind. Much later, I realized when I looked back at this particular incident that I had contracted this disease and it continued for so long because of my own mind. I was very stressed out. I wanted a job desperately, and that stress had actually manifested into this disease in my body. Plus, I thought this is not going to cure. I was taking this medicine, that medicine, nothing worked out. But when somebody told me that this always works and some kind of a faith developed, and on top of that, a change of environment, I was free of stress. That is when my disease got cured. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Keep manifesting, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.